Hey folks, hopefully everyone is having a great day out there. Today is Easter. Hopefully everyone is having a good Easter. Today we're going to be doing some trout fishing. I've never been to this creek system before. We got pretty good rain in this area about a day and a half ago. Streams are starting to clear up. There's a little cloud bit there in the water, but nothing too bad. Should be cloudy enough to where I can sneak up on these little buggers. And yeah, we got overcast conditions. Really good conditions here today to catch some trout. Other than that, we're going to be focusing on deeper, slower, slack water pools. Let's see how we do. Enough talking about fishing. Let's go fishing. There we go. Finally hooked up. Little bugger. There we go, we're on the board. How about that? Get a little guy. Alright. Got the hooker moved already. Let's go wash our hands, show them off, and get back to fishing. Not the biggest guy, but a fish is a fish. We are not skunked today, so hey, me and Lisa went out last night. She caught the only one. I missed one. She says it's a rock, but I don't believe her. But today, we got one. Let's throw this guy back. There we go, big fish. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Darn it, that was a good fish. Seeing some trout surfacing right in front of me here. There we go guys. That's a decent fish. There we go. Come on, get in. Yeah, there we go. Heck yeah. Saw some fish surfacing in that pool. And finally caught a good one. Heck yeah. That's a beautiful trout right there. He hit it like a ton of bricks. I saw fish swirling in that spot. Kept on casting. Eventually we got bit here. Look at that freaking awesome fish there. We'll get this guy back. There he goes. Right there. Awesome. Freaking A. That was a nice fish. Nice fish. Got a long journey back to the car, so I figured why not do a closer now. Ended up picking up 2 trout, better than 0. Missed about a handful of bites. Like I could get them to bite, but I couldn't keep them pinned or anything like that. That was a little frustrating, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Other than that, they continue to be in those deeper, slow-moving waters still. I'm sure they'll be in a little bit quicker water when the metabolism fires up here. Other than that, I'm not sure where we're fishing next, but wherever it'll be a good time. It'll be fun. That's all I got for you guys. See you in the next video.